PG system is really strong, is anti-dampening. You can clamp between 0.2 millimeter to up to 25.4 millimeter. With this new latest innovation of PGS48, we can cover the diameters between 20 and 40 millimeters. I am Thomas Woerndle, CSO of REGO-FIX. REGO-FIX is the inventor of the classical ER system. By side, we produce also our PG system. We are really strong in case of cutting tool clamping. For that, we have also complementary products in case of cleaning and measuring. That's our legacy. ER collet, PG system. We are here in Hall 4, E34. Please come and visit us.